Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Best Reviews. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best smartwatches you can buy this year. Smartwatches are not just devices that tell you the time, they are also capable of tracking your health, fitness, notifications, and more. Whether you are looking for a smartwatch that is compatible with your smartphone, has a long battery life, or has a stylish design, I have got you covered. So without further ado, let's get started with the list of the 5 best smartwatches of 2023. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Amazfit Bip 5. Boasting an ultra-large 1.91-inch display, this watch is not just bigger, but smarter. The curved screen, crafted from tempered glass with an anti-fingerprint coating, offers a visually immersive experience. What sets the Bip 5 apart is its Bluetooth calling feature. Answer calls or make them through the built-in speaker and microphone. With a rich app ecosystem, 70-plus downloadable apps and games, and comprehensive sports tracking capabilities, it's not just a smartwatch, it's your fitness companion. Health monitoring is top-notch with 24-hour tracking of heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress levels. And let's not forget the built-in Amazon Alexa for a seamless hands-free experience. With a remarkable 10-day battery life, the Amazfit Bip 5 ensures it stays with you every step of the way. Moving on to number 4, we have the Fitbit Versa 4 Fitness Smartwatch. Beyond a mere fitness tracker, the Versa 4 is your ultimate wellness companion. The daily readiness score, built-in GPS, and a plethora of exercise modes make it a fitness powerhouse. Dive into advanced sleep tracking, stress management, and menstrual health features for a holistic approach to well-being. Designed for both fitness and daily life, it supports on-wrist Bluetooth calls, offers customizable clock faces, and includes a 6-month premium membership for personalized insights and advanced analytics. With a 6-plus day battery life, this smartwatch is a comprehensive package for those serious about their health. At number 3, the Garmin vivoactive 4S takes center stage. This smaller-sized GPS smartwatch is a marvel of functionality. Beyond tracking basics like heart rate and sleep, it monitors energy levels, respiration, stress, and more. With the ability to download songs and animated workouts, it's not just a smartwatch, it's your personal coach. Boasting a battery life of up to 7 days in smartwatch mode, it's designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Garmin Pay adds a layer of convenience for on-the-go purchases. In the runner-up position, the Ticwatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS smartwatch offers a blend of longevity and advanced features. Its dual-layer display technology ensures up to 72 hours in smart mode and an impressive 45 days in essential mode. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 4100 platform, it delivers a snappy performance. Beyond fitness tracking, it introduces new features like fatigue assessment, providing a comprehensive view of your health. With a stylish design, customizable backlight, and military standard durability, it's not just a smartwatch, it's a statement. And now, claiming the top spot is the Garmin Venu 2. This GPS smartwatch is a perfect fusion of style and substance. The bright AMOLED display, paired with a battery life of up to 11 days, makes it an aesthetic and functional delight, offering advanced health monitoring, diverse workout options, and the ability to download up to 650 songs. The Venu 2 caters to every aspect of your lifestyle. Garmin Pay, smart notifications, and safety features like incident detection elevate its usability. If you're looking for a smartwatch that goes beyond the ordinary, the Garmin Venu 2 is the pinnacle of excellence.